Go.
Start.
No.
Insieme?
Yeah. I'm Paul from Docklands Academy. Today is a really sad day for us because we have to say goodbye to this guy. What's your name?
Evan.
Thank you. Thank you.
You're welcome.
And all of the other Panamanian students. We've had an amazing time. It's been like a party, hasn't it?
I don't know.
Hmm?
I don't know.
You don't know. And we've had lots of fantastic trips. We've helped them improve their English. They've worked really hard and it's been a really wonderful time. And when they go, this place is going to be really quiet and we're going to miss them very much. I miss you, bro.
I miss you. No.
See you.
See you.
Trip. Trip.
Why?
Because I like to take students on trips.
Trip.
What about you? You like trip?
Yeah.
You want trip?
Trip.
Trip?
Trip.
Trip?
Yes.
Trip?
Trip.
Trip?
Go.
Trip?
Go. Go.
Trip?
Go. Go.
Trip?
Go.
Trip? Trip?
This was
Okay.